Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Intraoperative fluids. Maintenance fluids are given as 4 to 1. That is up to 10 kgs, 4 ml per kg per hour fluid is given. From 10 to 20 kgs, 2 ml per kg per hour of fluid is given. For more than 20 kgs, 1 ml per hour per kg fluid is given. And among all these, in first hour, 12 ml per kg can be given. And this fluid, most commonly used type of fluid is ringer lactate. And in pediatrics also, we can follow this 4 to 1 rule. And in pediatrics, you start with 2/3 of the calculated fluid. So this maintenance fluid, this rule is 4 to 1 rule or holiday rule. According to this rule, the first 10 kgs for the first 10 kgs we give 4 ml per kg per hour. For the next 10 kgs, that is from 10 to 20 kgs, we give 2 ml per kg per hour. After this 20 kgs, we give 1 ml per kg per hour, and this is calculated. And among this calculated fluid, for the first 12 hours, we give 12 ml per hour is given in the first hour. The most common type of fluid is ringer lactate, and for pediatrics, we give 2/3 of the calculated fluid. That means, for example, if a man is 72 kgs or 70 kgs man, the first 10 kgs of this man we give 4 ml per kg per hour. That means we give 40 ml for the first 10 kgs. Then the next 10 kgs, that is 10 to 20 kgs, we give 2 ml per kg per hour. That means 20 ml we give for the next 10 kgs. That is 2 into 10, 20 ml we give for the next 10 kgs. And after 20 kgs, that is 20 to 70 kgs, that is almost there is 50 kgs. For this 50 kgs, we give 1 ml per kg per hour. So this 50 kgs, we give 50 ml per kg. 1 into 50, that is 50 ml of fluid is given. So total fluid is almost 100 ml is given uh, per hour. Fluid should be given to this patient.
thank you and thank you for watching.